Good morning, class. Let's begin with the chapter Agriculture. And in this segment, we will discuss technological and institutional reforms. Now, till here, we have read the crops, food, then other grains, than non food crops. But after that, when we see the condition of the land in India, we know that from centuries ago, thousand years ago, cultivation was taking place in India. And during the foreigner rules, you can say no care was given to the land. Means continuously or consistently it has been taken from the land, so the condition was not good, and different rulers rule over India, foreigners rule over Indian people, and they imposed their own policy, and due to those policy, the destruction plus the decline continuously come to the people and land both. The condition of farmer, again it was in pathetic condition. Simultaneously land was not good in quality. So after independence, many programs have been started so that the condition of farmer and land can be improved. So to these particularly we call technological and institutional reforms. So let's begin. It was the time in the previous pages that agriculture has been practiced in India for 1000 years, and sustain uses of land without compatible techno institution changes have hindered the pace of agriculture development. Means without delay ये सब चलता रहा, and in spite of development of sources irrigation, most of farmers in large part of the country still depend upon the monsoon and natural fertility in order to carry their agriculture. We know that our is a country of agriculture country where at present 55% population is dependent on agriculture, and the ratio is consistently declining because people are shifting to secondary and tertiary. But think about that period when the most part of population was dependent on agriculture, and basically people, the farmer was very much poor and dependent on the monsoon uh, type of climate, and for a growing population this poses a serious challenge. Agriculture, which provides livelihood for more than 60% of its population, needs some serious technical institution reforms. The history tells us about that. Now at that particular period of time the conditions were very much critical, and the need was to give attention towards all these problems. So what has been thought regarding the collectivization, consolidation of holdings, such kind of program introduced, and cooperation, abolition of जमींदारी एटसेट्रा, ये जो चल रहे थे इनको हटाना था. ठीक है, कलेक्टिवाइजेशन था, कंसोलिडेशन, मिलजुल कर खेती करना, कोऑपरेशन ऑफ एंड एबॉलिशन ऑफ जमींदारी, ये सब चीज़ें हटाई. वर गिवन priority to bring the institutional reforms in the country after independence. मीन्स इंस्टीट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म्स को प्रायोरिटी दी गई कि नहीं, आप एक टेक्निक से खेती करिए. किस तरीके से करेंगे, तो उसमें आपको क्या किया गया, लैंड रिफॉर्म्स वाज द मेन फैक्टर फॉर फोकस ऑफ द फर्स्ट 5 ईयर प्लान. इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा जो 5 ईयर प्लान में था वो था आपका कि लैंड रिफॉर्म, लैंड की कंडीशन को इम्प्रूव किया जाएगा. द राइट ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस हैड ऑलरेडी लीड टू द फ्रेगमेंटेशन ऑफ होल्डिंग. क्योंकि अगर हम ज़मीन की कंडीशन देखें वो कैसी थी कि ज़मीनें सेंचुरी बाय सेंचुरी और ईयर आफ्टर अनदर ईयर या फिर जनरेशन टू वन जनरेशन द लैंड होल्डिंग्स वर फ्रेगमेंटेड. फ्रेगमेंटेड का मतलब है स्मॉलर एंड स्मॉलर. भाई अगर किसी फादर के पास, ठीक है, सपोज करिए 40 बीघा जो ज़मीन है उसके 2 बेटे हैं या 3 बेटे हैं, 4 बेटे, वो तो 4 में डिवाइड हो जाएगी. ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही ये सब चीज़ें छोट मतलब लैंड होल्डिंग्स क्या हुआ, दे बिकम स्मॉलर, छोटी होती चली गई. तो ये बड़ा सोचने वाली कंडीशन थी कि छोटे छोटे लैंड पे क्या ग्रो करेंगे, अपना ही खाना पीना निकालेंगे, आगे कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. सो नेसेसिटी इज कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ होल्डिंग्स. तो को ध्यान ये दिया गया कि कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ होल्डिंग्स, इनको जो है इकट्ठा मतलब एक जगह रोका जाए, अभी इस पे कंट्रोल किया जाए. द लॉ ऑफ लैंड रिफॉर्म वर enacted but the implementation was lacking for lukewarm. मतलब अभी नया नया टाइम है, आज़ादी के बाद हर किसी को आज़ादी अच्छी लग रही है, सबको अपना स्टेटस बढ़ाना है, सबको ग्रो करना है, तो ये थोड़ा कमी था, लोगों ने इस पर ध्यान ज़्यादा नहीं दिया. ल्यूकवॉर्म का मतलब इट वॉज नॉट ऑन गुड लेवल. The government of India embarked upon introducing agriculture reform to improve Indian agriculture in 1960s and 70s. The Green Revolution based on the use of packaged technology and White Revolution, that is Operation Flood.